It's vacation time back in Santa Cruz for our annual family vacation. Can't wait to share it. Here we go. And we made it back here in Santa Cruz at our favorite place at the Yellow House here with the amazing view. Super excited. Kids are excited. Wife's excited. Baba is excited. We have my wife's mom with us on this trip. So it should be a ton of fun. Excited to just kind of settle in, unpack the car, and kick back and enjoy some family time. I have a ton of family here this time. Last time we didn't have quite as many family members, but this time we have, I think there's 3 or 4 houses in the area with our family members in them. So it should be an absolute blast. I'm excited to just relax. My goal for this is to post a video for every day of vacation. So I'll be doing 7 consecutive videos here on the channel. I've never actually done that, so that's going to be a challenge, but it should be pretty easy, man. We're at a great place, lots of activity. I've gotten better at vlogging and creating kind of on the fly, so it'll be a nice challenge, but it's also going to be chill, man. It's vacation. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm not going to go too hard. I'm going to have a good time, enjoy Santa Cruz, and take you guys along with us on the journey. So here we go. Man, just being here has me in my feels a little bit. Like, super grateful to be here with my whole family, being in an incredible area, staying at an incredible house. Like, it's just, I don't know, sometimes like I just gotta stop and just enjoy the blessings and enjoy the finer things in life. This is really like one of those moments, one of those things, those memories that I'll cherish forever. My kids, I know, like, they love it. Having my whole family here is special. Like, this is really special, and I just wanted to take some time to stop and just soak it all in, enjoy it, and just be grateful for what I have, because it's really incredible. is a wrap for day one here in Santa Cruz. Awesome day. Nice to be able to get settled in, get comfortable. Decent sunset going off behind me. Was able to get the drone up. I was super happy with that. I haven't put the drone up here in Santa Cruz in years, man. It's been like probably 6 or 7 years since I've done that. Haven't got the drone up on the coast anywhere in a while. My battery died a little sooner than I was kind of hoping for, but I was able to get some really cool shots of the lighthouse out here in the distance. Some cool shots of the coast as well. I want to try to do some kind of shooting every night, whether it's going down getting time lapses on the beach, sunset somewhere else, or some kind of drone shoot every night. It's really cool because it's super easy, super convenient. Like I just flew from here, the balcony, flew up, got some sick shots. So can't beat that. The vibes are high, content's flowing. I'm having a good time. Looking forward to 7 more days of this. So this is number 1 of 7. So stay tuned for the rest. Stay tuned for some more coastal adventures. We don't have a ton planned. We're gonna go to the boardwalk. We're just gonna have a good time, go out, explore the city, explore the coast, and just possibly go down to Monterey, but really just have a good time here in the coast of California and Santa Cruz. So hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for more. Peace.